Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So after putting it off for a very long time, I am finally going for a solo camping. I'm gonna be putting down all these seats and I probably have to rearrange everything here. So yeah, I bought all this stuff. Yeah, I can't wait. I'm so excited. It's my first time camping. A solo camping, not just camping. A solo camping. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, now I'm picking up my burger from A&W here. I know I have lots of stuff to do, but I'm hungry, so of course I'm gonna eat first. So it's a masala veggie burger from A&W. That's the, I think, only veggie option I could find. So first of all, I'm gonna put my seats down. I have to remove all this. So this is all the stuff I have for now. I'm gonna put my clothes and everything here. So I will quickly chop all the veggies. I'm just taking half onion, 1 tomato and 2 peppers, and I'm gonna take half a paneer.